Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In this lecture, we are going to see about the primary key and foreign key. So let us first see primary key. So primary key are the unique identifiers to identify each records, and primary key are combination of two things, that is in unique value and not null value. Thereafter, in a table, we can have only one primary key, and when we do not want a duplicate values and not null values, we use a primary key into a table. Let us consider a table where we have an employee ID column which have a unique value for each record. So with the help of this employee ID column, we can easily access any of the record from any table we want, and this employee ID is a primary key in this table, and there can be only one primary key in a relationship, as we saw in the last slide, and there should not be any null or blank values. So thereafter, let us see foreign key. So what is a foreign key? Foreign key is a field in a table which is a primary key in another table, and we can have duplicate values in a foreign key, and also we can have a null values. So let us consider two tables, table 1 and table 2, where in the table 2 employee ID is in column which is a primary key in table 1 and it is a foreign key in table 2. So a foreign key table can have multiple number of foreign keys with a duplicate and a null values. So let us see some difference between primary key and foreign key. So as we saw definitions, primary key are the unique identifiers to identify each record, and a foreign key is in field in a table which is a primary key in another table. We can have unique and not null values in primary key, whereas we can foreign key contains a duplicate values and null values. Thereafter, a table can have only a single primary key, whereas a table can contain multiple number of foreign keys. In the next lecture, we are going to see about a foreign key relationship using a check table.